What's shaking, Kanye Scope fam? Get ready to dive into the news that's defining the moment. The digital world is moving at lightning speed, and you're about to get the inside track on the stories you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We've got a major pivot in the crypto space. We've got a token that's exploding, a high-stakes investment making waves. We've got a launch that's shaking up the entire ecosystem. Stick around because this is the Kanye Scope, and you're getting it all right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Kanye West's bold crypto U-turn. YZY Money surges 800%. In a move that has sent ripples across the digital asset landscape, global icon Kanye West, formerly known as Kanye West, has officially launched his Solana-based cryptocurrency, YZY Money. This launch marks a significant departure from his previous public statements regarding celebrity-backed digital tokens. Just months ago, in February, West expressed skepticism about such ventures, famously stating, "Coins prey on the fans with hype." Now, with the unveiling of YZY Money, he appears to be charting a new course, embracing the very ecosystem he once seemed to question. The newly launched token, bearing the ticker YZY, experienced an immediate and dramatic surge in value, climbing an astonishing 814% to reach $1.86, according to data from CoinMarketCap. This explosive growth immediately captured the attention of investors and crypto enthusiasts alike, positioning YZY as a notable player in the increasingly crowded meme coin sector. Beyond its status as a meme coin, YZY Money is designed as a comprehensive financial ecosystem. The project integrates three core components: the YZY token itself, which serves as the native digital currency; YPay, a proposed low-fee cryptocurrency payment processor; and the YZY card, a feature intended to enable global spending using YZY and USDC. This multifaceted approach suggests an ambition to move beyond simple speculation and establish tangible utility within the digital economy. To ensure a more equitable distribution and combat the prevalence of predatory trading bots, West's team implemented a unique deployment strategy. They utilized 25 different contract addresses, with a random selection process to determine the official token, a measure intended to decentralize control and return power to genuine traders. The tokenomics also feature a structured vesting schedule managed by the Jupiter Lock protocol. Public allocation accounts for 20% of the total supply, with another 20% dedicated to liquidity. YZY Investments LLC, the entity associated with West, holds a substantial 30% of the supply, subject to a 3-month cliff and a 24-month vesting period. Additional allocations include 30% with 6-month cliffs and 20% with 12-month cliffs, all under 24-month vesting schedules. This transparency in distribution is a clear attempt to build trust and avoid the common pitfalls of celebrity token dumps. The launch of YZY Money coincides with a broader recovery trend in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin saw a notable increase, trading around $114,093, while Solana, the blockchain network on which YZY is built, gained 4.89% to trade at $187.07. Market sentiment, as measured by the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, has also shown improvement, shifting from fear to neutral. This positive market backdrop provides a potentially fertile ground for new digital assets. However, the celebrity token space has shown considerable volatility. Tokens associated with figures like Donald Trump and Melania Trump have experienced significant declines, losing over 80% of their value from earlier peaks. This context highlights the inherent risks and speculative nature often associated with such launches, even with high-profile backing. The community response has been a mix of excitement and cautious optimism, with many observers watching to see if YZY Money can indeed deliver on its ambitious utility promises and navigate the volatile crypto landscape effectively. The project's success will likely hinge on its ability to build a sustainable ecosystem and maintain user confidence amidst market fluctuations. This is just the beginning of our deep dive into the YZY phenomenon. But first, let's look at how early investor sentiment is playing out. Early YZY investor faces steep losses amid market volatility. The digital currency landscape is often characterized by its extreme highs and lows, and the recent launch of YZY, a Solana-based meme token associated with rapper Kanye West, is no exception. While the token initially saw a surge in value, a significant early investor has reportedly experienced a substantial downturn, with losses reaching as high as 92% from their peak investment. This stark reality underscores the speculative nature of meme coins and the significant risks involved for early adopters. The narrative surrounding YZY began with considerable fanfare, fueled by West's endorsement and the token's launch on the Solana blockchain. Initial reports highlighted a substantial early purchase, where a high-profile individual invested approximately $450,000 to acquire over 1.8 million YZY tokens. This transaction, which included a hefty 129 SOL priority fee, a testament to the perceived demand and the competitive environment for early access, suggested strong conviction in the project's potential. At the time of this purchase, the average price per token was around 24 cents, indicating a strategic entry point. However, the cryptocurrency market, particularly the meme coin sector, is notoriously volatile. Following its initial launch and a period of rapid ascent, YZY has experienced a significant price correction. Data indicates that the token has fallen dramatically from its all-time high, with one prominent early investor now facing a potential loss of up to 92% on their initial stake. This sharp decline from a peak valuation to a current market price paints a cautionary tale about the unpredictable nature of these digital assets. The tokenomics of YZY are structured with a total supply distribution where 70% is allocated to YZY Investments LLC, 20% to the public, and 10% for liquidity. To mitigate bot activity and front-running, the project deployed 25 contract addresses, with only one being the official token. This measure was intended to create a fairer trading environment. Despite these structural attempts at fairness, the market forces have dictated a harsh reality for early buyers. Analysts point to several factors that could contribute to such dramatic price swings. The inherent speculative appeal of meme coins, often driven by social media trends and celebrity influence rather than fundamental utility, makes them susceptible to rapid inflation and equally rapid deflation. Furthermore, the broader cryptocurrency market conditions, including regulatory uncertainties and macroeconomic factors, can significantly impact even the most hyped projects. The situation of this particular investor serves as a potent reminder of the risks associated with high-risk, high-reward investments in the crypto space. While some early adopters may have profited handsomely, others, like this investor, are left counting significant losses. The narrative around YZY is still unfolding, with the project aiming to build a functional financial ecosystem beyond mere speculation, but the immediate impact on early investors highlights the volatile journey. While one investor faces significant losses, another story shows the incredible highs that can be reached. Now, let's explore how YZY is being hailed as a groundbreaking financial experiment. YZY token, Kanye West's Solana experiment, aims to redefine crypto utility. Kanye West's foray into the cryptocurrency world with the launch of YZY, a Solana-based meme token, is evolving beyond a simple digital collectible into what some are calling crypto's next major financial experiment. The project, which includes integrated financial tools like YPay and the YZY card, aims to bridge the gap between speculative digital assets and practical, everyday financial applications, positioning itself as a potential disruptor in the blockchain space. The recent activity surrounding YZY highlights both the intense demand and the strategic complexities of launching a high-profile crypto project. A notable transaction saw a significant early investor acquire over 1.8 million YZY tokens for a substantial sum, reportedly around $450,000. This purchase was further characterized by an unusually high 129 SOL priority fee, a clear indicator of the competitive rush to secure tokens during the project's early, high-demand phase. This strategic move to pay a premium for transaction priority underscores the perceived value and urgency associated with acquiring YZY during its initial rollout. From a tokenomics perspective, YZY's structure is designed to balance investor interests and project control. A significant 70% of the total supply is allocated to YZY Investments LLC, Kanye West's investment vehicle. The remaining 30% is split between public allocation, 20%, and liquidity provisions, 10%. To combat the pervasive issue of bot manipulation and front-running, which often plague new token launches, the project implemented a novel strategy, deploying 25 distinct contract addresses, with only one designated as the official YZY token. This approach aims to level the playing field for genuine retail traders. Despite these measures, the YZY token has experienced considerable volatility since its launch. While it reached an all-time high price of approximately 0.0032 in August 2025, it has since seen a sharp decline of 86.5%. This price action illustrates the inherent risks in the meme coin market, where sentiment and speculation can drive rapid price fluctuations, often detached from underlying project fundamentals. The current market capitalization stands at around $430,220, with a 24-hour trading volume of $286,250, reflecting ongoing, albeit reduced, market activity. The project's broader ambition, however, lies in establishing a functional Solana-based financial ecosystem. YPay is envisioned as a payment processor capable of handling both credit card and cryptocurrency transactions, while the YZY card would allow users to spend their YZY tokens globally. This vision positions YZY not just as another meme coin, but as a potential utility token designed for real-world use cases, aiming to offer lower transaction costs and facilitate seamless cross-border payments. This contrasts with the primary use case of stablecoins like USDC, which, despite their massive market capitalization of approximately $105.37 billion, are largely used for their stability and as a medium of exchange within the existing crypto infrastructure, rather than as novel transaction facilitators themselves. Analysts are closely watching YZY's development, particularly its ability to integrate these planned financial tools effectively and build sustained user adoption. The success of such a venture could set a new precedent for celebrity-driven crypto projects, shifting the focus from pure speculation to tangible utility and ecosystem building. The experiment is still in its nascent stages, and its ultimate outcome will depend on execution, market reception, and the evolving regulatory landscape for digital assets. Can this ambitious financial experiment truly take hold in the market? Let's shift gears to a different kind of launch, one that saw explosive percentage gains right out of the gate. Gate Alpha ignites YZY launch. Kanye West's token skyrockets 6,800% on Solana. In a move that has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency community, Gate Alpha, a prominent digital asset trading platform, has launched YZY, a Solana-based meme coin backed by global artist Kanye West. The debut on Gate Alpha was marked by an unprecedented surge, with the token's price skyrocketing an astonishing 6,807.56% in the immediate aftermath of its launch, cementing its status as a major event in the burgeoning Solana ecosystem. Kanye West himself amplified the launch, promoting the token across his social media channels and characterizing it as the cornerstone of a whole new economic system built on the blockchain. This high-profile endorsement, coupled with Gate Alpha's strategic promotional efforts, created a potent combination that drove massive initial interest. The release of the token's contract address further signaled the official commencement of trading, setting the stage for the dramatic price action that followed. To incentivize participation and capture market attention, Gate Alpha implemented a robust promotional campaign. This included a $20,000 prize pool and alpha points for first-time users engaging with the YZY launch. These incentives proved highly effective, drawing a significant influx of new users and contributing directly to the token's explosive price performance. The platform's data confirmed the staggering 6,807.56% increase, making YZY one of the most talked-about digital assets of the period. The success of YZY on Gate Alpha wasn't just about percentage gains. It translated into life-changing returns for some early participants. Reports emerged of a single user who transformed an initial investment of just $570 into over $250,000 within a mere week. This remarkable feat, involving a wallet that had already realized $4,930 in profits and sold off a portion of the tokens, highlighted the immense speculative potential and the rapid wealth creation opportunities that can arise in the volatile meme coin market. Gate Alpha's strategy appears to be centered on leveraging high-impact token launches and aggressive user incentives to foster growth within its platform and the broader Solana ecosystem. While larger Solana meme coins have faced market headwinds, YZY's performance demonstrates a growing investor appetite for mid- and low-cap tokens, offering significant speculative upside. This trend suggests a market dynamic where innovative marketing and strong community engagement can overcome broader economic challenges. Beyond the YZY launch, Gate Alpha is actively working to retain and reward its user base through various airdrop events. For instance, an upcoming airdrop of BR tokens was scheduled for August 19, 2025, making users with 121 or more Gate Alpha points eligible to claim rewards. While separate from the YZY initiative, these ongoing reward programs underscore Gate Alpha's commitment to building a loyal community and reinforcing its position as a key player in the Solana ecosystem. The success of YZY serves as a powerful validation of Gate Alpha's growth-focused strategy, demonstrating the potential for significant market impact when platform support and active community participation align. What a launch for YZY on Gate Alpha! Now, let's quickly recap the biggest stories we've covered today. Alright, Kanye Scope fam, that's a wrap on today's rapid-fire updates. We saw Kanye West's YZY Money token surge over 800%, an early investor facing massive losses, YZY being hailed as a financial experiment, and an explosive 6,800% gain on Gate Alpha. Stay ahead of the curve by liking this video, subscribing to the Kanye Scope, hitting that notification bell, dropping a comment with your thoughts, and following us on all social platforms for more exclusive insights.